Welcome back to the channel, and let's get into this foot peel. This actually will be my very first time ever doing a foot peel. I did purchase this product off Amazon. I saw another YouTuber doing a foot peel video, and I instantly wanted to try this because my feet are very dry and cracked right now. It does come in 2 different sizes. Right now, I do know the female size is sold out. It is also made with natural ingredients, 16 natural extracts, and there are about 3 steps to this process. But before we jump into these steps, I do want to show you what my feet currently look like. Dry, cracked, and just bad. So step 1 is to start on clean feet. I did purchase me a new bristle bath brush to go ahead and make sure my feet are nice and clean before we get started. So step 2, you will have to apply the booties to your clean feet. You do have to cut the booties and they come with an adhesive strap to make sure when you have the booties on that they don't come off of your feet. What I will say though, I have a very high arch in my foot, and I think that's going to explain why certain areas of my foot, the peel, I don't know, it just didn't seem like it worked, but you're going to see in a second. The directions say that you should leave it on for about an hour. I suggest after trying this now that I should have probably left it on for longer than an hour. I'm just showing here where the lotion that I applied after I cleaned my feet is not absorbing into my dry skin. And then the directions say that your dead skin cells should begin to peel off in 5 to 7 days. But I didn't see any change at all, so I didn't record at all until day 6. And then this happened. Right. So now it is day 6, and I'm recording it April 17th, so you all can see the time frame that it took and what happened to my feet during this. I was like, yes, finally something happened, because I thought it wasn't working at all, but it was like peeling, and it was just like dry and just crusty and hard, and I was like so grossed out because it really wasn't like I couldn't peel it off, and I wanted to peel it off, but the directions do say that you are supposed to let the skin peel naturally. So I was like, okay, so stop trying to pick at it and just let it do what it's supposed to do. So I put some cute socks on since my feet are looking ugly, and then I went to sleep. The next night, once I was ready to go ahead and get in the tub, this is what my feet were looking. Very hard and crusty. And I will say that I should have been soaking my feet every night. So if you are going to try this, I suggest to soak. So now I'm learning that stay in the tub, let those feet soak, and then you'll see how it continues to like peel off a little by little every time I am in the tub. That's not what I did the first or second or third night. I didn't stay in and soak my feet. And so as you can see, like after I get out of the tub, now it's kind of like flaking and it's coming off more and more. So like I said, I really strongly suggest if you're going to try this to make sure you soak your feet at least for like 15 minutes every night to help that peel to actually like activate it and absorb into your skin. Let me know if you guys have ever tried a foot peel. Again, this is my first time, and right now I'm just really grossed out like how bad my feet look. It looks worse than when I started. So it's time to put on some more cute socks, bright pretty socks, and go to bed. All right, and so now we are on day 9. Now, mind you, the directions say, or instructions say, that this peel would take between 5 and 7 days. So we're already past that limit, and my feet still look terrible. And at that very moment, I realized that I had Myra's feet. So I realized that I gotta go ahead and put in a little extra work, and now it's time to scrub and clean my feet, hopefully exfoliate and get the layers off, because I should already be back to baby feet. But no, still have this thick layer on my heels. So I feel like for people that have calluses on the bottom of their feet or have really thick skin, that this peel may or may not work for them, or that they might need to try this more than once. I know that I'm going to try it a second time. So here we are, another 6 days later, and I still have not completed this peel. So this is where I am at, and I'm just like, it's just a little bit left, and I'm just anxious. And if I'm doing this wrong and I shouldn't be picking at my feet, oh well, you go 14 days with your feet looking like this. So I'm like, we're going to try one final thing to try to get this last little bit off. So my suggestion for anyone that is going to be trying this out, to definitely leave it on for longer than an hour, maybe an hour and a half. Also, make sure you soak your feet every single night for at least 15 minutes. All right, so the last thing that I'll be doing is a sugar scrub to try to get the last little bit of like cracked, dry pieces of my heel nice and smooth. And after that, I'm done, like, because there wasn't much left, but I'm done with this process. And that's it, 14 days later, and this is what we have. My feet are pretty smooth. I wouldn't say they're like baby's feet, but they are 10 times better than what they were when they started. As you can see, and you remember how my feet would not absorb any type of moisture on the heel. They look super hydrated, and overall I am pleased, and I will be doing this again in an attempt to get off the additional layers that I have. If you did think this video was helpful, maybe, I don't know, like it. Check out a few of my other videos. Subscribe to the channel. You know, that kind of stuff. And I will see you guys in the next one. As always, I'm a little different, and different is love. Peace out.